Hey, what's up guys, John here, and if you missed last week's video where I did the giant tomato fight, make sure to go check that out. And for this week's choice for a future video, would you guys rather see a video where I go surfing or a video where I go sandboarding? Two really similar things, but kind of opposites at the same time. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up, leave your comment down below, and I will see you this weekend.